So I'm out here at a job in Kirrawee today for a customer. He's with Exitel, but he's got a Telstra line for the Exitel internet service. Now he's been having some problems for approximately, about 3 months?
2 months.
About 2 months. And he's had 3 separate technicians come out here from Telstra to fix the line. Now, as you can see, it's just the Telstra lead-in cable. He has no internal cabling at all. It's a brand new socket. And when I first got here, we put my phone in and we tested it and there was crackling all over the line. So I heard the crackling directly on the leading cable, and the customer is here with me. So you heard the crackling on the line too?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Yep, so the customers heard the crackling as well. And so basically what we think might have happened here is that the first time that this happened, the customers called out Telstra. They've come out. They did some work out in the street, customers seen them working in the street, and then basically said everything's fine. They left, and then about a day later, all the crackling and everything come back again. I think it was the same technician. He's come back here again, and then he come in, he heard the crackling, the customer seen him go back out to the joint out the front. He chopped off all the Scotch locks, remade the Scotch locks out there. But then on the report, he's put down that there was no fault found. So because of the reworks and how they work with the contractors, this guy could have been penalised for, if there was a second fault somewhere in this thing. So that's an incentive for them to do stuff like that. But for the customer, it's not good. So this is just a network, it's a network issue because it's crackling directly on the leading cable. So there's no internal cabling here to test. So this is going back to you, Exitel. So this is 100% a network issue. You're going to need to send out Telstra to get this fixed up for this customer once and for all. Thank you. So just a quick update, just with the customer here, he's wanted to replace the socket, even though the socket that was originally there was pretty much brand new. So we replaced the socket, so now every part is pretty much brand new coming here. So the customer's got a brand new socket, he's got brand new filter, brand new leads, he just brought a brand new router. So everything in the chain is new on this side. So the only thing it could possibly be now is network, which is what it's going to be. All right, thanks, bye.